So today I'm here to talk to you about the SENSARTE Grill/Griddle. This is something that I picked up because my other one started chipping, and I don't like that. Now, I thought the other one had a baked-in coating, or that it was baked that way or made that way. Unfortunately, it's not. And I found this and I thought, well, a lot of people are saying online it's pretty lightweight and they don't think it was going to cook right for them. But I took a chance, and you know what? I'm glad that I did, because on the weekends is when I do most of my cooking. I like to make pancakes, bacon, lots of food, French toast, scrambled eggs, and I can do everything on this. And you see I can't even fit it in this frame. So this is a 19.5 by 10 by 7 inch. And as you see, it's very, very nice. Now you can see there's a texture on here, which is all non-stick. This is aluminum. This is PFOA free, and it is aluminum from SENSARTE. Now this has some little holes here that you can hang this in your kitchen. This also has a drip tray, a little reservoir, so that when you're cooking, your grease or your oil goes into here and you can just clean that out. Also, you can flip it around, and here you have the grill. So this is where I would make hamburgers or steak, and this will leave your wonderful grill marks on your food, which will come out just amazing and taste so delicious. And like I said, whether you have a small family or a big family, you can fit a lot on here. It's really, really nice. I do use a lot of skillets. I love to use nonstick. I haven't really had good luck with regular skillets, stainless steel skillets, but I like trying these, and this really has not been a problem at all. So once I'm done cooking, all I do is take a couple paper towels and I can completely wipe this off, and it's completely clean. But I do run it under hot water. Once it's cooled down, I run it under hot water with just a little bit of soap, and then I completely dry it by hand. Now it does say it's dishwasher safe, but I dry it by hand, and then I'm able to put it away. And then before I start using it again, I put a little bit of layer of oil on here. That's what it says to treat it. And I'm going to tell you, this looks like brand new. I've been using this for a few weeks now, and it's really, really great. And I'm going to put a link in the description to this grill. It's wonderful, and I'm so glad that I have it. Like I said, I do most of my cooking on the weekends, and this is something that I really enjoy having. I might have to get another one just for backup, or to throw on the other burners. You never know when you might have company. So that's something to keep in mind. But this is less cleanup. It doesn't take a lot to clean up. And the cooking is wonderful, and it's just a great, great cookware. So I want to thank you guys for stopping by and watching my review on the SENSARTE Grill/Griddle, the Reversible Grill Griddle. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I hope you are safe out there. Be kind to others. Share a smile. You just might make someone's day. Bye, everybody.